Grafoplast, identification systems. It was 1963 when the founder, Giovanni Piana, an electrical engineer who repaired clocks and typewriters, invented the first marking system in Genoa, a city located in the north of Italy. He patented it under the name TRASP. A lot of time has passed. The patent has become an industrial product still required by the market. And Grafoplast has developed highly automated production systems. Today, Grafoplast manages the entire production cycle, from the raw materials to the finished product, to guarantee complete control and high standards of quality. Grafoplast is recognized as a specialist in identification for the electrical engineering and industrial automated market. Talking about Grafoplast means thinking of a clear marking which is resistant over time, on a cable, in an electric panel, along a production line. Grafoplast is synonymous with printers, tags, letters and sleeves. Grafoplast is a 100% Italian company, host to sports, art, Guinness World Record challenges. It is a company projected into the future that invests a significant part of its turnover in research and development. Photoluminescent products that are visible in the dark thanks to UV technology have been designed and patented by Grafoplast. And products that can be detected with a metal detector created in cooperation with customers in the food industry. A clear, lasting marking which has evolved from the TRASP manual system into the totally automated Si2K Evo printer. Always in tune with technological progress, Grafoplast can count on an automated warehouse that makes it possible to ship orders within 48 hours. A widely established network of agencies, distributors and specialized technicians guarantee worldwide support. Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Americas, Asia and Africa. The Predosa plant, strategically located between Genoa and Milan, is so flexible that it can also produce small batches and customized products. In the extrusion department, 9 automated lines can work more than 80 profiles in various lengths and materials, handling more than 700 items. But the flexibility has a secret. Highly trained technicians can carry out setup operations in minimum time. Automatic cutters make it possible to do the packaging already on the line, cutting the lead time and the product costs. In the moulding department, 9 horizontal presses produce every type of tags. 3 vertical presses create pin terminals with marker sleeves in various colors and materials, more than 400 different items. While the robots transfer the tags from the mold directly to the packages. A global quality management system makes it possible to check and improve all the company processes and activities with great focus on eco-sustainability. The Grafoplast team of engineers designs and develops all the molds in-house and follows the entire chain for the realization of its products. It is an automated and interconnected environment in which every element interfaces with the others, and man can devote himself to optimization and development. But above all, Grafoplast is a team of people who share the same goals with commitment and enthusiasm. Grafoplast. Do it better.